I can't change it.
I can return what was taken.
No, my past stays where it is. To remind me exactly what the Daleks have done.
So many losses, but you can restore one if you obey me.
No, I am focused on the here and now and how to end this madness. I will not destroy Gallifrey. But we can go back to how it was, you and me. I could live with a universe that has Daleks in it.
End the Time War, and you would suffer the Daleks to live knowing our nature, conquest, and extermination.
Well, erasing you didn't stick. This way, at least the cosmos won't keep getting torn to pieces. You and I are outside events. We see the bigger picture.
You claim kinship to me.
I'll talk to the Time Lords, to their leaders. I've some influence on Gallifrey still. I'll make them see sense. What? What is so funny?
You admit the Daleks are inevitable. Our victory inescapable. You are beaten.
If looking for compromise counts as surrender, then... What's that?
Stability achieved. Restoration complete.
The Emperor's ship. Descending over Koska.
He has returned, and he broadcasts to all.
Hear you are, Emperor! The planet Koska is first witness to my resurrection in this universe. Submit to my children and your death will be quick. Resist and you will know an eternity of pain. Heed my children. Obey me in all things. Commence extermination.